Hello, everyone. Welcome back to The Manipulated Mind, where we don't just discuss attraction, we break it down to understand it. I'm Stephanie, and today we're tackling a secret struggle for many men: how to get a girl to like you when she seems uninterested at first. Feelings are rarely simple. She might not be showing interest yet, but that doesn't mean it's over. A small change in your attitude, thinking, or actions can unlock something surprising in her heart. If you've ever thought, "I have no chance," stop right there. What you learn here can change everything. Everyone deserves love and respect. Often, tiny shifts create the biggest emotional changes. Today, I'll share easy, strong methods to turn her quiet lack of interest into a real connection. Don't wait for the right time. Make it happen. We'll see how charm, confidence, subtle psychological triggers, and emotional presence can make her see you in a new light. Let's begin. Use these methods to change your relationship with her. Remember, start with confidence and a smile. Number 1, the look that changes everything. Eye contact is key for building a relationship, but this isn't about quick looks or random staring. This is about purposeful, strong, and feeling-based eye contact. Here's a secret most men miss: focus on her left eye. Why? Because science shows looking into a woman's left eye can release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This is the same hormone released during deep hugs or private moments. It builds trust, emotional bonding, and a close feeling that words can't always create. So next time you talk to her, pause, breathe, and softly look at her left eye, not in a strange or pushy way, but in a peaceful, calm, and kind way. A look that says, without talking, "I see you, I respect you, you are important." This honest, calm look makes her feel secure, noticed, and unique. Here's the real truth: words can be false, but eyes are usually honest. When your eyes show kindness, care, and confidence, she will remember you. Number 2, the power of a subtle scent. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: your smell. Research shows men who wear nice scents not only feel more sure of themselves, but also become more appealing to women. Why? Because smell is linked directly to the part of the brain that handles emotional memories. Your scent becomes who you are in her thoughts. When you find a smell that really matches you, not too strong or low quality, but something soft, fresh, and interesting, it becomes your hidden signature. Imagine this: you're not with her, but she notices a familiar smell, the same one you had when you hugged. Suddenly, she remembers you. A great scent acts like a psychological anchor. It steadies feelings. It makes her feel protected. It makes you feel strong. So pick a scent that shows who you are. If you are peaceful and stable, try a woody smell. If you are secretive and passionate, try something with spice. Little actions like this build closeness without a single word, and that is a powerful tool. Stay until the end for insights you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Number 3, beat nervousness naturally so she sees the real you. Many guys struggle with worry. It's okay to feel nervous talking to a woman, especially if she seemed cold before, but you don't have to handle it by yourself. Some natural helpers can lower your social fear and make you feel more steady, sure, and in charge. L-theanine from green tea calms you without making you tired. It keeps you focused but relaxed. Ashwagandha is another strong helper. It cuts down cortisol, your body's stress chemical, so you feel peace even when pressured. Magnesium glycinate eases tightness and helps you sleep better, so you wake up refreshed. When you are calm, your genuine best self appears. That's when connection happens on its own. Real attraction isn't from overthinking. It comes from being real, steady, and confident. Say you have a time to see her. It could be a simple hangout or a first date. It's fine to be nervous, but here's an easy trick that changes her view of you before you even meet. Number 4, first, call someone who cares about you. Before your date, phone a person who makes you feel secure: a parent, close friend, or brother/sister, someone who knows your value. This works because a known, caring voice turns on your body's calming system, reducing worry and fear. It reminds you that you are already loved and worthy. You aren't seeking her okay. This peaceful feeling becomes your normal state. Women sense when a man enters the room calm, smiling, and balanced. You show something special, self-confidence without pride. This man doesn't ask for a link, he creates it. She might not know what changed, but she will feel it and will want more of that steady vibe. Number 5, skip the boring date. Create a feeling-based adventure. Now, the real date. Most guys pick the same things: dinner, a film, coffee. But these don't make feelings peak. To change her mind, you need emotion. So don't just sit at a table. Do something that brings fun, wonder, or a thrill. Try an unplanned drive to a pretty view, a puzzle room, axe throwing, dancing, a hidden show, or strange art. Why? Feelings make memories. If you make her feel something new, exciting, or secret, she will connect those feelings to you. Experts call this arousal misattribution. She feels rushed from the situation and ties it to you. Make her pulse quicken, and she'll ask why you cause it. These unusual dates let her see you differently. Maybe she thought you were just a friend. But when you make a daring, emotional event, that view changes. Number 6, show your confidence in quiet social ways. Here's another great step most men miss. On your date, how you act towards others is as important as how you treat her. Be kind and polite to servers, bar staff, and everyone. Not to win her over, but because real confidence is how you act in the world, not just with her. Women notice this without thinking. When she watches you handle talks calmly, smile easily, speak well, and treat people with respect, she sees a socially skilled man, a man who lives with purpose. That is appealing. That is high worth. Plus, it makes her comfortable. She feels she can trust you to manage hard times wisely. You aren't just smooth, you are stable. Stability with charm is rare and strong. You won't want to miss what comes next. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to learn more.
Number 7, handle the bill with quiet strength. Here's a mind detail many men get wrong. When the check comes, don't make a big deal out of paying. Don't announce it loudly. Don't use money to look good. Instead, pick a moment when she leaves, like for the restroom, and pay without a sound. No talk, no show, just silent action. This proves something deep. You lead without wanting a thank you. You give without needing a reward. You guide the moment without forcing power. This is true confidence. When she comes back and sees the bill is paid with no bragging, she will feel something new: respect for your grown-up manner and more emotional trust in you. Number 8, wait before the kiss. Create wonder. A huge error men make is rushing the first kiss. Here is a strong fact. Holding back is more attractive than being needy. To be unforgettable, don't go for the kiss immediately. Say goodbye with a kind hug, a real "I enjoyed tonight," and let her be a little curious. What will happen next? That's the thought you want in her head. Let her dream about your next meeting. Let her feel that soft pull of waiting. When you don't say or do everything, it makes a deep emotional pull. This is how you create mystery. This is how you change from invisible to unforgettable. Now, let's be completely honest. Real attraction isn't about smooth words or a fun date. It's about the man you are with her and without her. This is where men fail. They think only about the woman, her thoughts, her feelings, getting her notice. But true attraction starts inside you, a major change in your thinking. Number 9, learn the Stoic way of bettering yourself. Know this basic truth. Women want men who are improving, not flawless, not wealthy, not known, but men who always work on their mind and heart. This is what Stoicism means. It isn't hiding feelings or acting like a machine.
It means controlling your responses, working on what you can change, and finding unbreakable inner peace. When a woman feels you are a man who doesn't break from rejection, who doesn't run after her, who doesn't need her yes to feel worthy, her mind changes. She can't figure you out. You are not like others. You are solid. You don't need her to make you whole. That alone makes her try to get your notice. So become that man. Do it for yourself, not her. Begin with easy steps. Read, exercise, make small daily aims. Learn to be still. Cut out things that cause fear. Endless scrolling, comparing yourself, needy actions. When you are emotionally stable, women see. They sense the change and come closer. Number 10, create mind tension by being fully there. Let's discuss a powerful pull between men and women, psychological tension. This is the quiet game of being near yet far, kind yet held back, interested yet mysterious. It's what she feels when she's with you and sees you aren't trying to get her. You are just there, in the moment, happy in yourself and fine with any outcome. This is very special. Most men try too hard, talk too much, do too much. But the men women want most are calm and quiet. They hear more than they talk. They talk slowly, with meaning. They let their eyes say much. This full presence builds tension. It makes her ask, what is he thinking? It makes her come closer, question more, and follow a bit. When she thinks about you more than you think about her, everything changes.
Number 11, talk less, sense more. Here's a small mind trick. Don't work to amaze her. Work to amaze yourself. When you talk, do it slowly, with feeling, with breaks. Let your words stay in the air. Let your vibe talk for you. Don't show off. Don't tell too much. Just be in the moment. Speak about what touches you, what pushes you, what counts for you. When you talk from that real place, steady, truthful, and self-honoring, you stop sounding like all other men. You start to feel like the most genuine man there. That sound, that feeling, it remains in her head long after you leave. Number 12, build her safety, not just her attention. This is very important. If she didn't like you first, she likely didn't feel secure enough to view you anew. Attraction needs trust, not just in body, but in heart. So every little act, from holding a door to managing arguments to how you hear, must support one idea. You are secure with me. I don't want to beat you. I wish to know you. When a woman feels heart safe, she drops her guard. When her guard falls, her heart opens. Then even a woman who once overlooked you may start to see you, really see you, for the first time. Number 13, attraction is about vibe, not hard work. Let this fact sink in. Attraction is more the energy you send than the work you do. You can purchase presents, write the best text, plan the perfect date. But if your energy feels needy, she will notice. But if your energy is based on peace, aim, and quiet surety, she will notice that too. So quit running after her. Start shining from within. Let's combine all we know. You've seen the methods, the look that starts bonding feelings, the smell that makes a memory after you leave, the quiet ways to be there without force, the social trust that silently says, I need not prove anything. I am me. You know the reality that true attraction isn't from smart words or trying too hard. It comes from emotional weight. You don't convince her. You draw her in. Most men err by trying to make a woman like them, trying to be more funny, wealthy, clever, or strong. But that's not how attraction works. When a woman truly wants a man, it's not because he persuaded her. It's because his vibe changed her view of him. That's what you do by becoming the man who doesn't follow, but gently draws. The man who doesn't talk too much, but values quiet. The man who grins with his eyes, hears with his full being, and honors his own calm. That man need not ask for love, he sets the standard. Let her be interested in you. Women are naturally curious, but only about men with mystery, skill, and meaning. Let her ask, why no quick kiss? Why do I feel protected near him? Why do I recall his scent in a shop?
Why do I check my phone for his text? That interest is emotional fuel. Let it grow. Let her feel your absence. Let her come closer. When you change from chasing to creating pull, you no longer work to attract her. She works to understand you. There lies the magic, the truth she won't speak but always senses. A man's worth is how he makes her view herself. With you, does she feel noticed? Listened to? Grasped? Does she feel lovely? Not from your words, but from how your energy cares for her. If yes, she will not only desire you, she will honor you. That honor is the base of true attraction. Let's finish with this. You need not have every woman like you. You need not even have her like you. You just must become the man so heart-centered, so full inside, so peaceful in his path, that when she finally sees you, it's not from your pleas for notice. It's because you became impossible to ignore. So next time you see a girl who seems not to like you, don't hide. Don't follow. Don't be bitter. Just grin. Stand straight and quietly tell yourself, she just doesn't know me yet, but she will. Thank you for watching. If this video changed how you see yourself, press like to tell the algorithm. Comment below with your first tip to try. I read all the comments. If you haven't, subscribe to The Manipulated Mind, where we dig deeper than others. Recall, attraction isn't a game, it's a change, and you've started the journey. See you next time. This is where your real change begins. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs to see it.